We represent service members who are, going through some type of legal struggle, whether that's a criminal matter, whether that's a civil matter, whether that's just in some ways a personal struggle that they need some assistance with. We have that opportunity to, provide those services in some ways in a better way than I could do when I was in the JAG Corps, without having to worry about, is my boss going to get mad? Am I going to get a bad officer evaluation because I'm trying too hard for this client? I don't have those, strictures on me now. I can, really represent my client in the best way possible. There's not a significant amount of time to build what we would call rapport, but I think that, number one, it's obviously being empathetic and listening to their story, but then it's also having that experience and having that knowledge and then conveying that to the person who is that potential client or is a current client, so that they have that confidence that the person who I am talking to not only hears me, but also is going to be able to convert what I'm saying into a cogent legal argument that can then advance my goals and lead to my success. The culture here is all about trying to ensure that, whatever, your problem is, that somebody here is taking your problem seriously and doing everything that they can to advance your interests and ultimately try and obtain your goal. And that's one of the first things that we ask potential clients is, what is your goal? Because we want to know, you can tell me your problem, you can tell me what you think your issue is, but I need to know what you're trying to obtain as a result of this, because we need to make sure that we're on the same page, and I need to not assume that you want a specific result, because there are a lot of people who, we sometimes joke about something being, the principle of the issue. Well, it's not a joke. I mean, for a lot of people, the underlying principle behind what they're trying to do is most important. It's not about money. It's not about, fame. It's about the fact that they think that there was a wrong committed and they want to try and right that wrong. And we need to know that going in, and we need to know that that's what we're trying to advance, that that's what we're trying to ultimately advocate for.